I basically stole someone's YouTube channel today, not the videos, the entire formula. The style, the script, the visuals, the pacing. AI watched it, copied it, and gave me 15 new videos in under 1 hour, and YouTube has no idea about it. The tool behind all of this is called Higgsfield Supercomputer, and now this isn't just another AI video tool. This thing is a full complete agent. It routes between GPT, Claude, Gemini like automatically inside one single chat. It doesn't just read a reference video, it actually watches it frame by frame, picks up the hook, the pacing, the editing style, like everything, and then it rebuilds it for you. Well, let me show you exactly how we can do that using this supercomputer. Alright, let's do the magic, and I'll go to Higgsfield.ai and you can see the supercomputer over here. Click on try supercomputer, and then this is where you're going to be landing here. So first of all, I'll show you some of the videos that we can kind of replicate. This is one of the videos with 4.6 million views. This is 12 million views, this is 14 million views, and this is one of the channels that is doing this thing, and there are a ton of channels doing the same type of stuff, and it's easy. And I'm gonna show you one more thing. This page is doing 2.2 million followers with 2,500 plus posts, and check the views: 40 million, 10 million, 24 million. It's crazy. And these videos are making like ton of money with other platforms. People are posting multiple videos on different platforms. They're printing money, honestly. And I'm gonna do the same thing. From today I have a couple of videos, I think about 10 to 15 videos ready. I'm gonna post it on one of the accounts, and I will also share the results with you guys, so stay tuned for that. So let's do this. So I'm gonna kind of replicate one of this video or that video. So let's go with this one. So I'm gonna copy this video, and I'm gonna go back to supercomputer and tell him this, paste the link, and ask him, hey, this is a skeleton type of videos that is going trending right now on YouTube, different platforms, and it's all about skeleton, and I want you to analyze the complete video and come up with a different video idea. And also I want a exact similar type of video under my topic, or you can suggest any topics that you want. But yeah, let's just go ahead and just completely understand how we can replicate this type of content. So I'm gonna hit send, and it's gonna just start analyzing the video completely, like what is this all about. It's gonna see the video frame by frame. So yeah, you can see like everything will be in front of you. You can see it has loaded the video as well. It has done the research on this video, and it has done all of the research. You don't need to do anything at all. He's going to do everything for you. So all you have to do is just share him some simple idea, and that's it. So now it's asking us, I can build a full video using the exact format generated. Okay, so we're gonna be asking him. So I gave him a reference about like make the first of all the character, because we want to set this character first. So let's see, it's gonna create the character first. You can also tell him to generate a character using the GPT image too, or the nano banana, depending on you, but I just let him do his own thing. So this is the character as of now that it has created. We can ask him to create a video, but yeah, there's one thing that is missing in the character, which is basically the fluid. You can see in the video the character has some kind of translucent fluid over the skeleton, as if it's a muscle, but it's translucent. Yeah, that's it. That's perfect. This is what I want. Alright, so the generations are finished. So this is the first video.
On day 1, subtle fatigue sets in. By day 2, cognitive function begins to decline. Day 3 brings significant physical and mental exhaustion.
Well, this is good. Let's just check another one.
On day 1, sugar is rapidly a blood review. By day 2, the begins to constant. Day 3, by day 4, factors you are
Well, it's all up to you. This is looking really, really good, and I can simply go ahead and upload these videos on Instagram, and it's gonna blow if I start posting this type of content. So let's do one thing. Let's try to replicate these type of videos, the windstorm type of videos. So I'm gonna copy this video link, I'm gonna paste it over here, and I'm gonna copy another one, which is gonna be that one, and paste it in here, and I'm gonna say, and generate me 2 videos of something similar, where the site, where the video is being shot in the thunderstorms toward me environment, and there's a the wind is gushing, something like that. I'm just giving him a random idea, whatever I just comes to my mind. I'm just giving it away, and I'm just kind of putting everything on him, and let's see what he has to do. So as you can see, it's coming up with an idea, with the 2 ideas. It has generated the prompt and everything. Now it's going to wait for my permission for the generation. As you can see here, this is in front of you. So this is one. If you can go ahead and just read whatever you wanted to. So let's just go ahead and approve. So this is gonna take a little bit of time, since it's a Cdance 2.0. It's going to generate the video. So let's wait and see how this will turn out. And when we do this, when we replicate these videos and give it our own touch, so it means this supercomputer can do anything. I think if I even give him a long form video, it's gonna come up with something, and it's gonna create that. And yeah, this thing is also able to stitch the videos together. You can just kind of create the short movie in the form of shots or reels. You can do that, and you can kind of generate the 15-second or 10-second clips, and then you can kind of attach them or stitch them together all inside here, and you do not have to even lift a finger. All you have to do is just speak with him, chat with him, and that's it. It's gonna do entire thing. And if you guys want to try it out, I'm also gonna leave a link in the description. You can try it out yourself, and I'm also going to give you the promo code, which is gonna give you the 200 credits for free on this one. So yeah, just guys check this one out, and if you guys have anything in mind that you guys can start the page or something, I think this is the time. And I think if we guys don't do anything now, since the AI is being evolving every single day, so if we don't do anything, then I don't think we can do anything at all in the future. So I suggest everybody start doing something, even if it's like a very small thing, but do something. If you have an idea, please execute that. Otherwise that idea will stay inside your head always and forever. Okay, so one of the videos has been generated, and this kind of first looks crazy good. Let me just pull it up. Like really, it doesn't look like fake. This is looking absolutely real, and you can see the colors and everything. Imagine you post this on Instagram. This is gonna blow up. I'm definitely gonna do this. I'm definitely gonna start a page on this one, specifically on this POV style videos. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna come up with a different idea, and I'm gonna post it, and I'm gonna share the results with you guys as well in the community post. Let's check another one. It's a night scene. Amazing. Honestly, this is looking really so real. You can see the this, I don't know, you can see this. Oh my god, I don't know, you guys can see this circle. This is a the glare which kind of comes on the camera whenever you are on the in the rainy weather or something. This kind of comes up, and look at the detail. It's looking absolutely insane. So yeah, I'm honestly saying I'm gonna definitely start these type of videos on Instagram. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna share it with you guys. So yeah guys, I think this is really something extraordinary from a supercomputer, and imagine what it can do. I just only tested it out, like trying to replicate one of the videos from a channel or something. So it did it like in 2 minutes. You can see it worked for 2 minutes only. It's insane. So guys, if you guys like the video, please like and share the video. And if you have any problems, if you have any questions or something, you can ask me in the comment section. Also, I have started the WAP community. Wherever you have a problem or something, we can speak. We can you can kind of share the problems with me and everything. We can have a chit chat. So guys, if you guys like it, just subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much guys. I'll see you in the next one.